Right, well, good evening. Just come out. This will be a short video. Still recovering from my unexpected visit to hospital. Apologise for the lateness of the last video. Hopefully this one will go out fairly quick. But at the moment, this week I'm not really allowed to drive, so I've just come for our local hill. Castlehead. So we're going up Castlehead. Hopefully, I mean, it's quite bright. Whoa, we can see that. Quite bright at the moment. Slightly subdued in the wood. The idea is just to go sit on the top, admire the view. If we get quite a good sunset, hopefully we'll get maybe a couple of good pictures. We'll see. So anyway, as you can see, we're on you can probably hear from me breathing, we're on our way up at the moment, so I'll see you at the top. Right, you'll have seen from the time lapse that I've just taken that we've made it to the top of Castlehead, looking out over Derwentwater there. I'm just waiting for the sun to go a bit low. I mean, if I come round this way, you'll see, I mean, this will get totally blown out because you can see the sun's over there. So I'm just mulling what compositions there might be, whether to go down. There's a little platform just in the front there where I'm able to get skidder and Keswick, or possibly coming back with a TV mast and looking over to Castlehead. So now that the time lapse is finished, I'll try and suss out a comp. So anyway, we'll see you a little later. Right, we've come up with our first composition. Nothing stunning, it's just looking to the TV mast and Castlehead on the Helvellyn range behind. It's just some nice colours in the fading lights. So, and as you can see from the back of the camera, 100 ISO f11 and a 20th of a second. So we'll take the shot. There we go. 1, 2, 3. So it's a reasonable shot, and if it's reasonable, I'll put it up on the video after this. As I say, this is just a short video. Can't drive until next week, and I wanted to try and get another video up, so I've just come up this local hill. So I'll try and find another composition now, but as I say, I'll put that one up on the video. So I'll see you shortly. Right, we've come up with another composition, basically getting Keswick and skidder behind. Low enough to come down, you can see that tree, then he's above skidder. Just going to maybe wait here a bit longer, see as the sun goes down whether any of the clouds catch, see if we can get a different shot. But the one I've already taken, as you can see from the back of the camera, was f11, 100 ISO and a 50th of a second. Needed to be fairly quick because the tree is blowing around in the wind quite a bit. So yeah, it's a pleasant evening. I don't think it's going to be good tomorrow, going to rain, so So hopefully we'll get some reasonable pictures for a short video. So anyway, we'll see you a little later. Right, we took another shot at that spot once the sun had gone down behind the hills. If it was any good, you'll have already seen it. It depends on how we get on the computer with it. So we're just coming back down through the woods now, down to the Borrowdale Road, and then we're going to go back by the church to home. So we'll see if there's any more spots. Maybe I thought at the church the view across might be good. Maybe if I'd come down a bit quicker, because I got talking to somebody and the sky was lighting up a little bit, but we'll see how we do. So I'll just see you a little later. Well, I've come to the church, and the colour in the sky, as you can see, what was has all gone. So we're going to call it a video. So if you watched this far, I know it's only very short, but thank you very much. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like what I'm doing, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. So anyway, I'll have a think of where I'm going to go next week, get something a bit more to it than there was tonight. Next week I can drive, so, and the fitness is coming back, so we'll find somewhere nice. So anyway, we'll see you on the next video.